pretty gang, welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I'm trying this silky straight hair from Vivi Babi hair, and I'm in love with it. Like, I'm gonna give y'all my rating because I forgot to say it at the end, but for this hair I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, period. The knots are not bleached. I only plucked this wig for about 15 minutes because it is a closure, but everything else is straight out the box. I didn't even flat iron this hair, so that's how you know it's good hair. Okay, yeah, as far as the hair goes, all the stats will be down below, and y'all can watch me style it and install it during the video, but it's gonna be very quick and straight to the point. I believe I got 26 inches, but I'm not sure, so like I said, check down below for the stats. Just know this hair is thick, long, silky, and black, and I love it. But yeah, just keep watching if y'all want to see me install it and slay it. And yeah, y'all already know, get into it, but keep watching if you're interested in the styling process. All right, y'all, so today we're starting with this wig. Look how silky it is. Y'all can see the movement, you can see the color, you can see the glistening light. It's just beautiful. I'm showing y'all the inside of the wig. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. I forgot to show y'all the one in the middle, but trust me, it's there. So yeah, this is about to be the easiest install ever. Literally what I'm doing is pulling it up, and then I'm about to mark where the hairline starts so that I know where I can put the glue at, because we're doing a real glue down today, not no got to be installed. Okay, we're professionals today. If y'all been watching me, you know I've been using this mean grip system. So first we're gonna go in with this mean grip skin protection, and I'm just gonna put it right where the closure is gonna go, where the glue is gonna go. And I'm just gonna let that dry. It don't take that long, but while it's drying, I took my makeup and I started applying it to the closure so that it could match my skin color better, because as y'all saw, it was kind of ashy. So now we're going in with the mean grip adhesive. This is the part you need to pay attention to, okay? So I'm gonna apply it in dots, and then I will smooth it out with a popsicle stick and leave it as a thin layer. Make sure it's not too thick in any part, and you want it to be even all the way across. Once you're done with that, blow dry it until it's clear, and then you could go in with your second layer. We're doing 3 layers today. Just repeat the steps on each layer, but here's the second layer. It's a little thicker, you see, because I realized my first one was too thin and skinny. I decided not to blow dry it this time, and while that was drying, I decided to cut these little tabs off my closure. Make sure you cut these off before you install, because these parts do not glue down, so you want to make sure you do that before you even install the wig. But once I finished with that, you'll see that my glue wasn't dry all the way, so I just took my blow dryer and I blow dried it until it was clear. And now we're getting prepared for the 3rd and final layer. So you can see this is my 3rd layer. I'm just applying the dots one more time, and I'm smoothing it out with a popsicle stick, and then in a second I'm gonna blow dry. So now that we're done blow drying, we can start applying the wig. You want to pull the hairline either in front of or directly on top of the glue. Aim for directly on top, but never behind. Don't put it behind the glue, because then it's gonna be messy. I'm just combing the lace into the glue, and then I'm tying it down. I never tied down my wigs before I cut the lace, but I saw somebody do this and her wig install came out flatter, so I decided to try it this time. And I will say it made my lace seem like it wasn't sticking up as much, even on the parts that weren't glued down. They were like flat to my head. So we're cutting it off, and y'all see in a second that it's pretty blended, and you can't even tell where it's not glued down. But in person I could, but on camera it looks really good, so I think I'm gonna start doing that. But yeah, press it down with the comb and then apply glue to the areas that need more glue or didn't get any glue at all. You can see I'm using my razor to lift the lace up, because once I tied it down, it made it super duper flat. And then blow dry, of course. Make sure everything's clear before you press it down. Now we can get into styling the hair. So I'm taking my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just gonna hot comb my part into place. This is the only heat I applied to the hair. I did not straighten this hair at all, you guys. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fine. I'm just going to drag that down my part and then blend it out with a makeup brush to make our part look more realistic and natural. It was kind of skinny. And then once we're done with that, we can finally move on to baby hairs, which is my favorite part of this wig. And you can see I'm just taking out the entire hairline. I'm gonna do the basic 3 swoop baby hairs for this closure. But you can see this, like, this plucking is immaculate, y'all. It looks really good. It came pre-plucked and I barely have to do anything, but this lace just looks so good when you pulling the baby hairs out. It just looks so good. So I'm cutting my baby hairs, and then before I even do them, I'm gonna pluck the lace a little bit more, just because I really did not pluck this wig at all, and it looked a little thick. Y'all see my puppy? She was begging to get picked up, so she's gonna be in this video later and now because she would not get down. But yeah, so I'm taking my wax stick and I'm gonna hot comb the hair back out of my face to give it some bounce, if that makes sense. And then I'm hot combing it to the side. I decided to go shorter on the baby hairs. It was looking really long and adult-like. But yeah, I cut those shorter, and then I start laying my baby hairs with Eco Styler gel. They're very basic, just the 3 swoops. That's it. And then I'm going in with the hot comb again and look my spoiled little dog. But yeah, hot combing and just making sure that it looks really flat and neat at the top. So the last step is we're gonna tie this down, and once I take this off, we are done. Look at this hair, it's glistening. There's no product on her. Like, what are you talking about? It looks amazing. It's literally like so silky and soft to this day, and it's been a week, y'all. So yeah, we're done with this install. All right, y'all, so that's all for this video. As y'all saw, I'm clearly in love with the hair. I love silky straight hair, as y'all know. Those are my most popular videos because I feel like I just style them so good on me. I just think it looks so good on me, and yeah, I love it basically. I don't really have much to say. It's just a straight closure wig. It's the most simple type, but it is super duper thick and super long. And a lot of companies, when they say densities, they're not giving you like the real density difference. Like, you could pick 180 and 250 and they're the same, but this company, this is a 250 density and this is a 250 density. Like, it's very thick. And you can see, like, you can't see through it half of the time. When it's behind my back, you can't see through it at all. The closure is still flat, so it's not too much hair on the closure, which is a very important thing to me, as y'all should know from watching my videos. I'm gonna show y'all their box, only because they sent me a new one and it's really cute. So this video is brought to you guys by Vivi Babi Hair. Their old box was boring. It was just black. I don't even think it said their name on it. But this is cute. This is cute. It just says Vivi Baby Wig. And then 100% human hair. It's pretty empty inside, but of course, the baddest bitch, Glow Princess, is on the cover because, you know, who else at this point? It just gives you this card saying how to get rewards on the back and stuff. Oh, they gave me a wig cap. I didn't even know, but I didn't use it. And yes, it comes with 2. I hate companies that are cheap and only send 1. Uni's hair. But anyways, then it came with these lashes. I don't even gotta say it. Y'all know we're saving the lashes for our special video that's coming up. But yeah, that's it for their box. They didn't include much, but the packaging itself is cute, so I feel like you didn't need much. And also, since it's only a closure, you really don't need much to install this wig at all. In my opinion, I actually took a little too long to do this wig because I was taking my precious time on the phone. But this is a quick and easy wig to install. But yeah, don't forget to check out all the stats down below. I got everything down below for y'all as always. You can check it out down there. And don't forget to follow them on their socials and check out their website for pricing and all that stuff on the wig. Before y'all go, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ITSPrettyMY, okay, for behind the scenes updates. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Pretty Gang. And hit your notification bell while you're at it so you get notified anytime I post a video, okay? I'm gonna see you pretties in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.